What's up, team T baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? So, I'm here to show y'all how to get some nice, clean, clear skin, exfoliate, get rid of that dead skin, the makeup, all that shenanigans that is on your skin, men and women. Now, I have a few new things I'm excited to share with you as far as what I use and products. So this video has been highly requested of what I do with like the skincare, or the glow, or all that kind of stuff. There's so many different things, so I'm not going to be able to do it all in one video. As far as the glow and all that is kind of separate to one of my skincare routines I'm going to show you today. So you need a fresh face, no makeup, okay? Now I'm going to go just splash some water on my face and then we're going to get started. So as I did take a shower, I'm in a bikini because I'm going to lay out in a little bit after this. But you want to wet your face, and then I'm using Drunk Elephant's just regular gel cleanser. And what you want to do is, I got this new machine from MIXEASY. It's seriously amazing. This has been a game changer for me. It comes with four different for, I guess, face, feet, and everything. I'll show you. And then one body one, but the one that I have been obsessed with is these two, an exfoliator and the cleanser. So it feels so good. There's two different speeds on it, and literally this thing exfoliates. I feel like I'm getting a facial every time I wash my face. So I just put a little bit on here, and then as I'm trying to show you guys in here, because I have natural light, I'm not in my bathroom because it's a little bit darker light. So what you want to do is hold it down and just really cleanse in your skin. It seriously kills all of the dirt, the germs. Like, it feels amazing. Every time I use it, I can feel it's like exfoliating my skin. So you want to make sure you put up your hair if you have hair, and put it back. And basically there's a time chart on there's a time chart that it'll show you on here how long you should go on your forehead for 20 seconds, your cheeks for 10 seconds, your nose for 20 seconds, and your chin for 20 seconds. So there's a certain amount of time that you should spend doing this, but I'm now just going to go through and show it to you so you can see.
I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, with your love, I'm losing myself, I'm losing.
So after you go wash it off while your face is still wet, I got these brand new products, KATARI. Now, I only use plant-based products on my face, my skincare, my lotions, my everything. I only put plant-based products. So when I saw these, this is a jojoba oil and this is a rose spray. What you want to do is you want to put this in while your skin is still a little bit wet. So I will spray some of the rose spray on the cotton ball so I don't waste, and just kind of dab it here, or you can spray it on your face. It feels so good, it smells so good, and it's so great for moisturizing your skin. And then I take the jojoba oil and I'll put a little bit on my hands. Make sure your hands are clean, and just dab it into your skin, or you can rub it in. I'll rub it all around. Oh, yes. Nothing feels better than clean, fresh skin. So this one is for cleansing and moisturizing and conditions your skin. It feels so good. It gives you a little bit of that glowy look. This one's for hydrating and moisturizing. Like seriously, it's my favorite. Oh my god, I just can't get enough of it. But these two I will link below as well, because when I find a good product like this, I want everybody to try it. But it's really important to make sure your skin is hydrated and moisturized, and it's thirsty, and it has enough of, you know, moisturizer coming into your pores. It's really good for your pores. So especially if you work out a lot and all that, you want to make sure you're always hydrating. Drink lots of water. So I have shown you these two heads for the MIXEASY, but it also has these two. So that comes with it's really cool. It comes with a polish accessory, so you can even polish your own toes. And then this one is the stone, the pumice stone. I always forget the name of that. This one's good for exfoliating. And then you have the full body one. So just like I did on my face, it's good for dry skin, crusty elbows, crusty knees, crusty feet. This one's amazing. So this is just one of my skincare routines that I like to do. If you guys want to see more skincare routines that I do, then I will definitely love to show you. But these are a few of my products that I truly, genuinely love, especially the rose water. I use that every single day and every night. And then the jojoba, am I saying that right? Jojoba, I am. Jojoba oil, or jojoba, which is great for moisturizing. And then this skincare routine that I have incorporated recently with this MIXEASY tool has made my skin feel like a baby's butt. Like, I am not kidding. It feels so smooth. It's insane. But like I said, I do have a ton more that I like to do. I like to switch it up sometimes, morning and night. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and all the links will be below. And I love you, and I'll see you all soon. Team T, baby.